So as we set our goals for 2026, many will have to do with money. What can we do better in the new year? Robb Scott is the president and CEO of Phoenix-based Copper State Credit Union, and you have some predictions for us in the new year. Great to see you. Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me, Jamie.
Let's talk about AI and digital and how this is really going to be forward when it comes to banking and saving.
Yeah, AI and digital, just in general, our systems are getting much better in banking. So our members tend to want us to know what advice and what financial planning tactics they could use without us being involved, just automatically based on their spending habits, things they're doing online, things they're doing within our credit union. What's their next product? What's the next thing that family needs from a financial standpoint? So
I really dialed in on those words, real-time financial advice.
Yes.
What does that mean?
Yeah, it just really means, while you're in your app, because most banking, as you probably do, most people bank inside their phone, inside the phone app. So having something in the app that tracks along what their spending looks like. For instance, if they're spending more than they want to for the month, or if there's some alerts from an activity that they're not familiar with, it'll push those alerts out to them real time so that they can make decisions. There's a lot of fraud going on, a lot of weird things. So just being aware of what's hitting your account just helps people manage their money better.
So maybe spend a little time within our money app. Not just look at the balance real quick,
exactly,
but see if it tells us anything, is noticing anything about our account, and also look for fraudulent charges too. With our new generation, Gen Z really loves the digital. So what changes are we going to see from our banks?
Yeah, and they're born digital. They do everything on the phone. They also want a place to go for advice, someplace they can go, like a branch or a call center, to get advice as well on big decisions. But they're experts at day-to-day being digital. So they're members of ours. Our Gen Z members are driving our change. We have to be good on the digital, or they'll go somewhere else that's online, some of the apps online.
We have just a couple days before the new year. Are there any moves with our money we should be making right now?
Yeah, I would just say watch rates. Rates have come down, over the past year. I don't expect them, like for mortgages. Remember when we had 3% mortgages? I doubt they're going to go back down to 3%, but they're just over 6. I would say take a look at, once they start getting into the 5%, really look at refinancing a home mortgage or a home equity loan, maybe combining both and saving some money that way. Also, people don't think about refinancing their auto loans as well. Sometimes they set them and forget them, but there's a lot of savings built into those as well.
As some folks are thinking about paying off what they spent for Christmas, some people may have a little money from Christmas. What should people do?
Yeah, that's a good point. We just always recommend our members save and have money for an emergency first. About half the people in our city can't handle a $1,000 emergency, so I'd say build that up first. Even maybe use a tax refund that's coming soon. We're told that tax refunds are going to be at all-time highs this season, so use some of that. Fund the emergency fund. Maybe put some extra money into high-yield savings, or lock up a CD right now. As rates come down, you can lock up money into a higher-yielding CD at this time. It
doesn't sound like immediate fun money to spend, but it sure is nice and could be a saving grace down the road. Just spend your money in that way.
We always live day to day, right, and enjoy today, but putting your money away for your family in the future is always a smart thing.
Yeah, that can be fun as well.
Exactly.
Thank you very much. Great to see you. Happy New Year.
Thank you. Happy New Year.